Hana. I'm 8 years old. So today I will make rice for my mom and dad and me to eat dinner. So first thing, we will go over here. Wait, here. And put this down. This is rice. And this rice we cannot eat because it is not cooked yet. So when we eat, how many do we eat? So we will take that and we will put it in. So let me just take a big scoop. I eat only 1.5 because my family eats. See? 1 scoop. 2 scoop, but this is not 1. This is 1.5. Okay, that's enough. Close this up. Put this on so no rats can eat that. Let's get this water running. For the second part, we need to wash these rice. Okay, more water. More water. Let's take our hand and like this. Ow, it's kind of heavy. Do you see the white part like this? That is the powder of the rice. The water is so warm. Okay, when we did wash it, we will pour the water out. Let's use our hands so no rice can get out. Now, whoa, no rice is getting out of this pot. Okay, done. Let me wash my hands a bit because my hands are stuck in rice. Now let's go. Wait. Let's go on the table again. So I forgot to bring that thing here. So now, how many did we use the rice? We will use the water too. So now let's get 1.5 water. We need to wait. Okay, first one, second one. Okay, we will almost stop the water. Just as wise more. Okay, good. So let's put the water in. So now we need to make sure that no rice is sticking on the edge like this. Like the rice is up here, right? You put it down into the water. This. And now we will go get a towel. And now we will hold this and take a towel and wipe it on the bottom of the rice thingy. Okay, and now that is dry, let's put it in the microwave. Not microwave, but the rice thingy. Close the cap and push this button. Now we only have to wait. That will take forever. So see you next time. So now we will stop this video for a minute, and then when it's almost ready, I will call you back. Bye bye. So after 45 minutes, the rice is finally cooked. Now let's turn this off and wow. That smells yummy. So now let's wait for the smoke to come out. Okay. Move these tips and let's go to the dinner table. I use gloves so my hands will not burn. Even the gloves are burning. They are burning. So that is how you make yummy rice. So bye everyone. See you next time.